YouTube trailer video can be seen on the channel homepage. It serves as a preview to channel contents, providing new visitors a glimpse of what they can expect in the channel. It helps the channel gain subscribers who are first-time visitors to the YouTube channel. So let me show how to set up YouTube trailer video. Once we are logged into YouTube channel, we need to click the channel profile image, and next, click YouTube Studio tab in the menu, which will bring us to Studio Dashboard. Here we need to click Customization tab. On the right side of the page, we have the trailer video section. To add trailer video for people who have not subscribed to our channel, we need to click this Add Text link. And next, we need to select the video we want to add as the channel trailer video. And done adding trailer video, we need to save the changes by publishing. Now, we can confirm the trailer video on channel homepage by logging into YouTube account as a new user. And as a new visitor, the trailer video helps me understand what content to expect from the YouTube channel. But once the channel is subscribed as a new user and refresh the page, the trailer video will not be seen again. The new subscriber will see the featured channel video, or more like a thank you video for subscribing to the channel. And setting up trailer video has been completed. I am hoping this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to the channel.